Hey guys! Maintaining personal hygiene is important in the time of COVID-19. How often do you wash your clothes? Would you like to save some money on laundry detergent or add a laundry product? Meet WASHWOW W1. It is designed for the sake of your wallet and our planet. Using water electrolysis technology, it creates a cleaning environment just like detergent and bleach. W1 can remove 99% of bacteria, viruses, and germs. And it's not only for your clothes. W1 can also be used for cleaning vegetables and fruit. Portable and lightweight, you can easily carry it on the go. This product is not only designed for household use. You can use it outdoors, such as at a campsite. Simply charge it with a Type-C cable. It turns on automatically when it's in the water. Now is the time for you to sit back and relax. Cleaning and disinfection. W1 keeps you refreshed in 360 degrees. Eco-friendly, cost-saving, these gadgets can be used for cleaning clothes, underwear, baby items, and even tableware. It can be reused up to dozens of times, which means it will save you a lot of money. A full charge lasts 4 times of use. In just 30 minutes, everything will be clean and fresh. It's the time to have an eco-friendly cleaning experience. And the best of all, it reduces your carbon footprint and promotes sustainable living.